So what you have to do, you have to at first the flip this page. You have to flip this page like in this way, and then the next step, this is the first step, and the next step is like that, in this way. Flip one type in another way, this in this manner, right? In this manner, flip over this page, and then the same way we have to okay. Now what we have to do, now we have this type of tape, right? Display like it from this sketch pen, right? We have this type of sketch pen, and we will do this with a good vibrant art. Okay, so let's start. First, the schematic diagram, right? So you have to draw at first the middle portion from this, and like this side to till this end, like this. So we have actually draw the love sign. Okay, next step, this is the first step, and the next step will be like this. This is the third step. Draw this way inside, and this is from this side. Okay, now draw this zigzag. Now again zigzag. Okay, so we have this shape, and now we have this. Okay, color we have to change this. So you have completed the fourth stage, right? Like this. Have done this till now, right? So now what we have to do, we have to drop the line. Now we have so you have to write in this way, love, L-O-V-E. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to draw the sidewise, like this. And now I have to draw E. We have this till now. So the next step will be like this. You have to fill up this L. But you have to the L is complete. Now next, and now we have to draw V. We have completed L of E. Now we have turn of E. Now we will turn it in 60, right? So we have a pink marker, and with this pink, what we have to do, we have to fill up this blank space. Now next stage will be of a simple stage, which will have to draw a small love species. Okay, so now it's finished. It was finished. So what we'll do? So we have this love, and we'll open this. Love. Like flip in this way. We have simple love, and we'll flip it like this. Okay. So you can give this to your loved ones, right? In this way. So please like and subscribe. Back again with a lovely video after this, right? Thank you.